Hey there, parents! Looking for a fun and healthy activity for your kids? Let's dive into the wonderful world of kids yoga. Yoga isn't just for adults, it's fantastic for kids too. It helps with flexibility, strength, and balance. Plus, it's a great way for them to learn how to relax and focus. First things first, safety is key. Make sure your little ones have a clear, open space to move around in. A soft mat or even a carpeted floor works great. And of course, always supervise them while they're practicing. All right, let's get started with some simple poses. The first one is the tree pose. Have your child stand tall, then lift one foot and place it on their opposite inner thigh or calf. Hands together in front of the heart or reaching up like branches. This pose helps with balance and focus. Next up, the downward dog. This one's a favorite for kids. Start on hands and knees, then lift the hips up, forming an upside-down V shape. Encourage them to press their hands into the ground and keep their feet hip-width apart. It stretches the whole body and builds strength. Now for the butterfly pose. Have your child sit with their feet together and knees bent out to the sides. They can hold their feet and gently flap their knees like butterfly wings. This one's great for the hips and inner thighs. Don't forget about the lion pose. It's super fun. Kneel on the floor, hands on knees, then take a deep breath in. As they exhale, have them stick out their tongue and roar like a lion. It's amazing for relieving tension and getting a good laugh. For a calming finish, try the child's pose. Sit back on the heels, knees apart, and stretch the arms forward, lowering the forehead to the ground. It's perfect for winding down and finding a moment of peace. Remember, yoga is about fun and exploration. Let your kids move at their own pace and enjoy the journey. They don't have to get it perfect. What's important is that they're moving and having a good time. And there you have it. A simple, fun introduction to kids yoga. I hope this guide inspires you to practice together and create some joyful moments. Thanks for watching and happy yoga-ing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun, family-friendly activities. See you next time.